Alright, welcome back to another episode. So today we're making this fire pot into like a pot shape instead of a World War I artifact. And yeah, so we have a guest.
Hello.
He's just here because he wants to be, I think. I'm not sure.
Maybe.
And yeah, we're going to be using the vise today. Haven't really used it much. Let's get the forge lit. Yeah. Got the fire pot in the fire. Pretty janky. At first I'm just going to take it to the anvil because I'm not sure how to fit it in the vise properly first. And yeah, super fussy. These tongs are not the best. Alright, that went pretty well. Oh god. Or is that bent before?
Potentially, but not great enough that you could really.
Oh, this is a good one. Hopefully. I do not want this falling into my boot.
It looks like it's kind of warped on this side.
Yeah. What, you mean this bit?
Yeah, but so that's kind of gone like that. So we need to hit this corner.
Yeah. Tiny anvil. Just editing now, forgot to film an outro, and yeah, here's the finished fire pot. It's not perfectly lined up, but I'm sure the coal won't mind. So the air will come in through these holes, and I've got a short explainy thing that's got 13 views in 5 days. Yeah, this is it. See ya.